know it's gonna pop.
It's Peter.
Like it's soft.
Okay, so day 2 and packing up. Probably not as much footage today because I'm wearing my half helmet. So because of that, I won't have the front facing camera on, but we're all getting packed up. There's Ray's bike, and you'll get some scenery, and we're doing a coastal run to Laconia, so should be good.
How can I break when I have no heart to be broken? If this is the end, when will it begin? Is there a way to live again? How can I dream if I was never awakened? How can it still hurt when I can feel the pain? We're not born to feel the pain.
There's Ray having his carb friendly meal like me, but he's getting raisin toast. Yep. And
This is the
nice. That's excellent. Biscuits and gravy.
Biscuits and gravy.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's like homemade stuff.
Nice. And Peter's got the pancakes and eggs. Very nice. Very nice. Peter, I'll need fuel right away. Alright guys, well, just had breakfast. It's excellent. And now we're going to go down the coast. Hopefully we can see some water. Alright.
How can I dream if I am never awake? As I step outside and breathe the night air, a passing thought takes me there, a place where all my dreams live on, a place so far away, a place with a lost memories of all the dreams I once had still live on. And I must find a way to fight in my own way. In spite of all the severities going endlessly, I can wait things out, it's affecting me. I will find a way to break my pain. It's like the voice inside my head now.
Alright, a quick stop in somewhere. We don't know. I have no idea where we are. But going for some water. And it's super nice here. Really nice. I'll try to figure out where we are and put it down below because I'd come back here again for sure. Oh yeah.
In the darkest corner where I reside, where my mind will feed me all this life, are these memory shapings of divine? The silence is breaking my sanity. Can I dream if I was never awakened? Tell me when it begins, if this is the end. How can I break when I know how to be broken? Why can't I break? I only want to be broken. I'm very full of things that are meaningless. I pull out the drum, reach for defense. I'm trying to voice out my thoughts, but the words will bear no meaning at all. It's like the voice inside my head now. It's always screaming a soundtrack for the words, and now the life has lost all the meaning. In spite of all the severity, I'm waiting for you to save me, and I still believe that I will set me free. It will set me free.
Alright guys, we're here. After how many kilometers did we put on today? What do you figure? About 6?
Oh, at least 6.
600 or so. This is our, for a little bit. This is our home for the night. So it's good. It's later than we thought, but that's all right. It was a good day, and we got a hot tub, and then Laconia tomorrow. Cool. There's Ray.